This is the powder feed unit. Total power 63 kW, capacity 2 to 4 tons per hour. Suitable for processing various poultry, livestock powder feed. It can be used in large and medium farms and feed mills. This unit has a simple layout and convenient operation. It can work continuously with high production efficiency and low energy consumption. 1 to 2 workers can operate it. This is a screw conveyor. The power is 2.2 kW. It transports the raw materials to the hammer mill. The feeding speed can be controlled by adjusting the insertion plate, prevent the crusher from closing, and improve crushing efficiency. It's a water-dropped hammer mill. The power is 37 kW. Equipped with an iron remover, which effectively cleans up metal impurities in raw materials, protects the crusher from damage, and extends the service life of the machine. This machine is suitable for crushing various raw materials. The internal router is equipped with high-strength wear-resistant hammers, which can get different crushing fineness by replacing screens with different apertures. The crushed material is conveyed to the silo screw conveyor. The silo capacity is 2 cubic meters, which can ensure the continuous operation of the production line. The dust removal system, composed of fans, pipes, and cyclone, can effectively reduce the dust generated during crushing, ensure air circulation, and make the crusher work smoothly. This screw conveyor conveys materials from the silo to the mixer, and the materials that do not need crushing can be added from the feeding pot. It's a single-shaft double-screw mixer. The power is 15 kW, capacity 1 ton per batch, mixing time 6 minutes per batch, mixing uniformity more than 93%, high mixing efficiency. This feed unit can be connected to the feeding line or bulk feed truck and can also be equipped with the packaging equipment. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email.